Hi guys, my name is Caitlin, and for my screencast, I decided to choose um, how to use OneNote. Some of the benefits of using OneNote are it automatically saves to the cloud. For Microsoft, it's called OneDrive, and you can access it from all of your devices, which brings me next to the next benefit of you can sync your notebooks and access it maybe from your phone or your computer. Um, Another cool benefit is that users can have multiple accounts. So for instance, I have my school account with different notebooks for different classes, or I could have my personal account for just things I want to research in my free time. Another great feature of OneNote is inserting content into your notes. So in addition to just typing maybe notes from the lecture, I can insert PowerPoints, I could insert videos and PDFs. And OneNote makes sharing with others really easy. Like, let's say there's someone that missed class because they were sick. I can easily catch them up for what they missed that day. And then the options for organizing are great. I don't know about you guys, but I just love organizing. So today, what I'm going to talk to you more about is how to create a new notebook, use sections and pages, add PDFs into your notes, and create to-do lists. So let's go ahead and get started. If I go up to this button with these three lines, I can access my notebook. So here I have, for my morning class, we'll go to this one, and let's let it load. And so yeah, I'm super busy, and OneNote is great because it helps me stay really organized. So here I can go and have different sections. So I can have lecture notes, I can have group projects. We have a few group projects coming up. And for my lecture notes, I can click anywhere to type. That's another really cool thing about OneNote is you can just click anywhere and start typing. So today we talked more about our reading. So here's a reading, and I'm going to go ahead and actually add the article that we talked about. So let's go ahead and up here, I clicked insert and go to file and insert file printout. So go to browse and over here, and here was the text that we were talking about today. Okay, so that looks like it's going to take a moment, maybe perhaps even a few moments. So let's go over here while that's loading. I'm going to go and talk about our group projects. So let's see, let me make sure I'm staying on track. So I created a notebook, we use sections and pages, I'm adding a PDF. So now that brings me to making a to-do list. So I was really excited about this feature. I love to-do lists, so this is a really easy way to keep track of the tasks that we need to take care of as a group. So for our reading facilitation, these are some of the components right here of what is required for when we present. So really easy way for all of us to communicate and see what we still need to take care of. So to do that, I'm going to go up here and just start typing. Here's another list. Oops. Here's another list. So here we go, and then I'm going to say, okay, so Kayla will take care of the learning target, and Emma will take care of the PowerPoint, and Rain will take care of the entry task. So right now I'm just demonstrating how to make these lists. So I have a couple items here. I'm actually just going to, let's see, where is it? Home. And this little button up here, tags, but try to think of tags as just a way to categorize information. You have tons of options here. I just need the to-do function, and I guess I did this a little backwards, but so yeah, here we go. Super easy making a to-do list, and when Kayla's done that, I'll check that off, And I'll check that off here, and that's taken care of. And then one more thing really quick, I can just go ahead and share this now. Just by going up here to this share button, and here's where I would enter in email addresses, and I'll just do me just for that. So anyone with a link can view. And there you go. So that was my take on OneNote and what I liked about it, and I hope that you guys learned something from it. Thanks, bye.